Are you a college athlete or someone who's trying to stay active and be one step ahead of injuries? I'm Dr. Brittany, and today I'm going to be treating Parker, who's taking real special care of his feet and working hard to protect his hips and low back through baseball season. So take a look and see what his treatment looks like.
All right, so we've got the laser going on Parker's feet here. He's got bones in his feet that get real sensitive under the big toe, so this helps calm him down. We've also been working with his hip and his low back. That's as usual. He plays baseball, so keep him running. Just about finished here. And we will jump up and do some active release on his hip. All right, so staying here. You're gonna slide your foot to then be flat out on the table. Back up. Resting it. There you go, okay. I think everything too is a little bit tight and protecting. So as long as we keep the blood flowing through here. So again, traction, pull. You know, same concept, but a little more controlled.
Yeah.
Even using a towel is okay because it gives you a nice grip. But it's all what you do with it at that point. Yeah, breathe in and out. Well, it's even like, you know, during a stretch, you feel the stretch, but then at the end, you're like, am I any looser?
Yeah,
Not for you. Face me over here.
never. Because that's what I was doing all summer. That's what stinks is I haven't been able to really stretch this because it doesn't want to.
Right.
I don't want to.
Well, and
Forcing it.
And that's just it. Sometimes that's a signal like that
Yeah.
you want to be paying attention to. Other side. Alright, onto your back for me. Does that feel good to open up that like kind of pull on the hip itself?
I don't really actually feel it in there. I basically just feel it where your hands are on my
Okay.
just pressure.
Okay. Alright, back down. Hip.
Yeah, it just popped. Like
Yeah.
it didn't hurt, but it felt
So
it.
you can felt it release a little bit. Awesome.
Or kind of like when we were talking about with the
The slide,
Yeah.
in a sense. Nice.
or like when I do the bird dogs.
Mm-hmm.
Where it just
Yep,
clicks,
that ligament in a sense.
In our office, not only do we do chiropractic adjustments, but we treat the muscles in the affected area and re-educate the body using rehab exercises. If you're ready to take control of your body and stay feeling good, schedule with us. On your first day, we'll do a thorough exam and we'll also deliver your first treatment. Call today, 989-686-6808.